Risk factors of hernias, basically obesity, when the fat contents muscle get weakened. If old patients, they have suffering from chronic respiratory diseases with chronic cough, chronic constipation, and in our old males, when they have some urinary obstructive symptoms at later part of their life, they can cause increased pressure in the abdomen, and they can get some sort of groin hernias. In females, due to the multiple pregnancies, due to the weakened abdominal wall, multiparity is one of the commonest risk factor in developing hernias. In children, in very small childs, some hernias, they are usually congenital birth defects, which usually closes down by itself, but sometimes they persist and they can cause problems later on in their life.